Okay, after having spent some time with some files of different sizes here in the lathe, the part looks very presentable. As you can see, I've inverted it. This is the end I had chucked in the 3-jaw chuck during the soldering process, and then to do the cleaning up I reversed it and chucked it up this way. And of course, not using any power, have the motor unplugged, not plugged in, and the belt off. With a lathe of this size, you really don't want to be doing this under power. There's not really a need to. But I just started with the large file and worked to these small ones and just spun the chuck. And as it was spinning, say I spun it in this direction here, over towards me, worked the needle file in the opposite direction as such until I achieved the contour that I desired. And as you can see, because of that chamfer I ground into there earlier, there should be a nice little fillet holding that in place. And so we'll take this out of the chuck and examine it and see what it looks like. Get the wrench here. Zoom out so you can see what's going on. And just break it loose. It shouldn't require loosening very much. And then we can see the solder there that's been added. Move my prop there I was using for the camera earlier. We'll set this there. Okay, you see just a little ring of solder around there. There's a little bit of solder on the face of the pinion still, but when viewed from the side, like so, you can see the repair is virtually invisible. And with the arbor out of the lathe now, I'll take it in the other room and sit down and do a little bit more hand filing on it till it's to my satisfaction. But when completed, the repair should be almost invisible. And of course, the wheel easily rotates on the shoulder still. So we'll take it in the other room. I think I got it in the right spot. We'll find out when I go to put the pin in to see how hard it is to get the pin in and how stiff the friction is. You don't want it to be so tight that you bend the minute hand when trying to set the time. You don't want it to be so loose that it stops every half hour when the tail goes to lift the hammer for the passing strike. So, from me here with the old 1927, seems to be a reoccurring date on a lot of stuff around here, does it not? 1927 South Bend lathe. This is OK Bridges. Thanks for watching.